guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making honey glazed carrots. I want to welcome you to my channel. Take a look around. I do a lot of Southern cooking and I like to think that my instructions are for all levels of cooking. They're pretty clear and straightforward. So hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Alright, this is a very straightforward, easy, simple recipe. You just need some carrots, honey, butter, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt. What you're going to do is you're going to bring your carrots to a boil and reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes and then drain, and then we'll come back for the rest of the story. Guys, my carrots are done. I cooked them approximately 15 minutes. At this time, I want to add some butter to it. It's warm in here, so this butter went down fast. I'm going to add some of the honey. And all this is according to taste. You just want to basically cover your carrots with the butter and the honey. Alright guys, there's your honey glazed carrots. I want to thank you for joining me. If you like what I did, give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Share this out on your social media. I'd really like you to help my channel to grow. Leave me a comment. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.